Hi friends, welcome to Python entry question series. Today we are going to discuss about what is the difference between a tuple and a list. This is very frequently asked entry question in Python and it is a must question in the Python interview. Today we are going to discuss one by one what are the major differences with code also. The first one is mutability. Lists are mutable, meaning you can modify, add, or remove elements after the list is created, whereas tuples are immutable, meaning once they have created, you can't change, add, or remove elements. Suppose here we have one list and we have 1, 2, 3 assigned, and now I can like change or add any value to the list. Now I am running it. If you observe, the previously we have at the first value is 1, now we assign changed it to 10 and we have 10 to 3, whereas in the tuple suppose we have the same tuple 1 2 3. Now I am going to change the first value 1 to 10 and now I'm executing it. If you observe, it will throw error because tuples are immutable. This is the first difference. And the next one is syntax. We will create the list using the square bracket, whereas tuples we will use these brackets open and close. This is actually the syntax will be like we will use this square brackets, whereas for the tuple just we will use like this open and close brackets. And the next one is methods. Actually in the lists we have more built-in methods because they are like mutable. We can like add, modify, delete, many things we can do, and so lists have many built-in functions or methods, whereas tuples have less methods when compared to lists. Suppose we have this extend method, but in the tuple we don't have this extend method. In this way, lists have more default methods. And coming to performance, lists mostly the lists have occupy more memory overheated compared to tuples, whereas tuple more more efficient and the performance is good when compared to lists. And if any situation, if you don't want to modify or add any elements, it is better to use tuple when compared to list. Suppose here we have 1 2 3. Now I am printing the size of this list and it is 88 bytes it is occupying on the memory, whereas the same 1 2 3, and if you observe the size will be 64. In this way the burden on the system is very less when you use the tuple. And now use cases. Mostly lists are like we are going to use when you want to modify a list or like delete or add. Suppose you have some employee data and in the employees means you are going to in future you are going to add some new employee. In those scenarios we will use lists, whereas tuple means suppose you want to loop, just you want to loop some data like which is constant, they are not changing, then you will use tuple. For example, countries will not be changed, and so it is better to use tuple because tuples have more performance. Okay friends, today we have discussed what are the difference between tuple and a list in detail. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.